Rajeshwari, Prabhavati, Bhavitapriya under guidance of Dr. Riyaz Khan sir. Our contents are: the first chapter is introduction, the second chapter is review of literature, the third chapter is materials and methods, the fourth chapter is result and discussion, the fifth chapter is summary and conclusion, the sixth chapter is references. The first chapter, introduction. Reduction of RBC and hemoglobin in the blood is called anemia. Anemia is not a disease, it is only sign of symptoms. The prevalence of anemia among the college girls, pregnant and non-pregnant women, children seen in higher percentage. There is need to provide scientific information to schools and college girls regarding health, nutrition and anemia as they are major portion of Indian population. Keeping all these points in the view, detailed investigation undertaken within the following objectives. Our objectives are: the first one is to assess the anemic status in school and college girls, to study the anthropometric measurement methods in school and college girls, to know the dietary habits and nutrition intakes of school and college girls. Our second chapter is review of literature. Sizaram et al., Premlata et al., Sarita et al., Imtiaz Ali et al. A survey conducted by party WHO.
Third chapter is materials and methods. The investigation we have conducted on health and nutrition status of girls carried out during 6th 2024 to 5 2024 in schools and colleges of Narayanpet. The study was undertaken in 400 girls, 200 from schools, 200 from colleges. The study sample was selected using following six methods. First one, hemoglobin cholesterol method. Second one, anthropometric measurement method. Third one, Prashnika internet. This is BMI formula. This is BMI classification. This is increase of anemia. Hemoglobin percentage more than 11 grams to enemy. Hemoglobin percentage between 7 grams to 11 grams. Mild to moderate anemia. Hemoglobin percentage less than 7 grams. This is a study project work.
Our fourth chapter is result and discussion. Table 1 reveals that hemoglobin percentage of girls. 62% girls recorded 7 to 11 grams of hemoglobin and 14% girls are found higher than 11 grams of hemoglobin. Table 2 reveals that anemic status of girls. Here our project reveals that 85 to 90% girls are suffering mild to severe anemic and only 14% are non-anemic in our area. Table 3 reveals that BMI of girls. 11% are underweight, 11% are overweight, 15% of underweight, 32% of normal weight. Table 4 reveals that dietary habits. Consumption pattern of cereals by girls. 31% girls consume jova daily, 15% girls consume wheat daily and rice in the staple food. Consumption pattern of vegetables. 32% girls eat vegetables daily and 2% of girls eat vegetables daily. Consumption pattern of fleshy foods. 68 to 71% girls consume meat and poultry weekly, 20% girls consume fish weekly, 7% girls eat egg daily. Consumption pattern of milk and milk products. 6% girls take milk daily and 36% girls consume curd daily and 9% girls consume butter daily. Consumption pattern of fruits. 12% girls eat fruits daily and 11% girls eat fruits daily. Consumption pattern of dry fruits. Only 5% girls are interested to take dry fruits daily and 60% girls are take dry fruits daily. Water habits of girls. 63% girls are using unfiltered water and 36% girls are using filtered water.
The endocrine gland or the